Master the art of grilling with the GRILLS-ZPG-450A. Imagine crafting mouth-watering barbecue, smoked briskets, or seared steaks like a pro. The GRILLS-ZPG-450A wood pellet grill and smoker brings you versatility, precision, and ease, combining the rich flavors of wood-smoked cooking with cutting-edge technology. Ready to ignite your grilling passion? This grill is your all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. With 8 functions including barbecue, bake, smoke, roast, and sear, the GRILLS-ZPG-450A transforms your backyard into a chef's paradise. Whether it's slow-cooked ribs or char-grilled veggies, it handles every dish effortlessly. Thanks to the upgraded PID 2.1 controller, this grill maintains precise heat from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Set it and forget it, no babysitting required. Plus, the built-in meat probe ensures your food is always cooked to perfection. Smoke smarter, not harder. With a 450 square in cook area, this grill is perfect for families and small gatherings. Rated 4.3 stars by thousands of satisfied users, it's hailed for its reliability, ease of use, and incredible flavor results. Say goodbye to propane and charcoal hassles forever. Whether it's a casual barbecue night or an all-day smoking session, the GRILLS-ZPG-450A is your perfect companion. Its sturdy yet sleek design stands out, while its cost-efficient pellet fuel keeps you cooking for hours without breaking the bank. Why wait to taste perfection? Transform your cooking, wow your guests, and create flavors they'll never forget. Click the link in the video description to learn more and make your grilling dreams a reality. Start your GRILLS journey today.